there's a really big comparison as well when it comes to putting something on topically from a skincare perspective and what you can consume. The ingredients matter. No matter what it is, ingredients always matter. So when it comes to skincare products, you always want to make sure that you understand that there are real ingredients there, that there is very little preservatives to no preservatives, no chemicals, anything that could be potentially harmful. Your skin is an organ and it absorbs everything that you put on it. So making sure that those ingredients are transparent, real, you always want to make sure of that so that you are getting the best and healthiest skin as possible, and it as well as for your body. So one of Dr. Brandt's microdermabrasion lip scrub is really important to also be aware of the ingredients that are in it. They are all real. Everything is perfectly okay for you to be putting on your lips, because think about it. We lick our lips, we drink our water, we eat, and we probably still have things that are on our lips, any sort of topical product for that area of our body. So these ingredients are 100% real. You're putting something that is water soluble, and it has a vitamin E to it too, which our body needs vitamin E, which is a fat soluble vitamin, and everything within that product is 100% okay, real, and natural. And that is exactly what you want when it comes to any sort of topical product for your skin.